While Toyota vehicles generally follow a 10,000-mile oil change schedule, the 5,000-mile service interval remains crucial for optimal vehicle maintenance. Though often mistakenly viewed as just a tire rotation, this service is far more comprehensive. The 5,000-mile service includes a thorough, multi-point inspection covering vehicle exterior and interior, under-hood components, all fluid levels with top-offs as needed, undercarriage inspection, complete brake system check, tire condition assessment, and floor mat inspection. Driving 10,000 miles without any interim service or inspection can lead to preventable issues. Regular tire rotations at 5,000-mile intervals optimize tire wear and maximize their lifespan, particularly important given today's tire costs. Additionally, tire pressures fluctuate with ambient temperature changes and require regular monitoring. The multi-point inspection serves as an early warning system for developing issues. It can identify emerging problems like oil leaks or worn suspension components before they lead to roadside breakdowns. This proactive approach also helps customers plan for future maintenance needs by tracking tire tread depth and brake lining measurements at each service interval. The 5,000-mile service creates a no-surprises environment for customers. For example, if brake linings are approaching replacement levels, customers can plan for this expense at their next service visit rather than facing unexpected repairs. The benefits of maintaining the 5,000-mile service interval between oil changes significantly outweigh any perceived inconvenience. Remember, this service is much more than a simple tire rotation. It's an investment in your vehicle's longevity and your peace of mind.